Welcome. Before we begin, a brief caution. Some of the movements and exercises in the video may not be suitable for everyone. If you have any questions or concerns about your ability to safely perform these exercises and movements, please stop immediately, consult with the appropriate member of your healthcare team, and only proceed when all of your questions and concerns have been appropriately addressed. And now, let's dive in. We're learning part 2 of Dr. Paul Lamb's TCA set. And in this video, we're going to be looking at brush knee to the left. We've just completed the 2 repulse monkeys. And so that's brought us back to a starting direction. And you've done brush knees before, so this should be pretty straightforward. The only wrinkle is that typically up to now, your brush knees have started after an open and close, and what that means is that your feet have been nice and parallel, and then we just do our in this case, think about where you ended up with the repulse monkey. Your feet aren't parallel because there was a follow step there. So that's the only real difference in this. So our starting position, we swept the right foot and then we did the follow step with the left. So the weight right now is on the right and the left is empty. And the left is, in traditional follow step fashion. Obviously, you can set yourself up when you're completing the repulse monkey with where you place that follow step to make it easier. But for now, let's just say that this is your starting position. So we want to do a brush knee going to the left. I'm going to put the weight into the left so that I can pivot on the right ball of the foot. Now the right has the weight in it. I bring the left in just an empty stance here. And then I step to the side. And then as I pour the weight into the left, I follow step with the right. So that's the mechanics of the turn. If we add in the hands, what we end up with is we have so it's just a slight adjustment, right? We had come around here for the right, weight, shift, sweep, follow step. That gets us to the correct direction, which is now going to the left, so that we're in position to begin with the next move, which will be leisurely tie the coat. If I put this together in a sequence with the repulse monkeys, starting from punch under elbow, which is a good place to, right? We're here with the weight on the left. So I pivot and pour the weight into the right for the first repulse monkey. Then I put the weight into the right, turn on the left, sweep with the right for the pulse monkey, and now weight into the left as I'm pivoting on the right, sweep with the left, follow step with the right. And that is the sequence for the 2 repulse monkeys and the follow-up, which is the brush knee. It's really 3 brush knees in a row for your purposes. And I would suggest you want to practice that so that it starts to give you a nice balanced flow, that you feel like you're in control and you know which direction you're in. And once you've got that nailed, we'll be ready to move on to the next move, which is leisurely tie the coat going towards the left. So we'll see you in the next video.